Hello, let's continue with our next story. What's new at the zoo? Written by Sharon Fear, illustrated by Adrienne Kennaway. Something was happening at the zoo. Rosa knew it. Al did too. The animals were acting funny. Funny, estaban actuando chistoso, o sea que estaban actuando raro. The chimp was in the lion's cage. That's weird. The seal was swimming with the polar bear. So the seal is usually their prey. So that's unusual. The camel was talking to the elephant. Rosa tried to hear what they were saying, but they were whispering. At feeding time, the animals just ate and ran. Was the food so bad? Al asked. At bath time, the animals just got wet and hurried away. Was the water too cold? Rosa asked. And here the animals taking the shower and escaping. Al and Rosa tried hard to please. Would you like some sweet hay? Asked Rosa. This is the hay. Hay. Some fresh fish? Asked Al. But all the animals just turned away. So here they are ignoring the zookeeper. The lion, the elephant, and the zookeeper is being ignored. What is the trouble? Cried Al. There is the trouble, said Rosa. Al and Rosa ran over and took a peek. There was no trouble at the zoo. Something new arrived at the zoo. Oh, what a pretty baby! A small hippopotamus, or just hippo. The end. La IA mide tu progreso. Tú construyes la fluidez. Entra al enlace de mi perfil y empieza tu clase gratuita. Sígueme en Instagram y en YouTube en @idiomas Lynx. I'll see you guys tomorrow.